After making a prediction short of a prophecy for big things to come in 2016, well, with almost 3 months into the year, Alkaline has come out swinging. Alkaline is slated to release an album soon. He has released 4 new songs and 1 video. The songs are Try Again, One More Time, My Side of the Story, and Company. The video being Champion Boy, which was one of the biggest songs and dancehall anthems for 2015. Let's take a look and listen to samples of the video and songs, and then I'll give my review.
Man, man, shell on the goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy. Now man, I don't a songsters boy. Flight every week, me and the goddamn boy. Yeah, yeah. Just bust up by a mansion boy. Champion, me and the champion boy. Yeah, yeah. I'm on a name, and me I'm on a fame, and me no need no more drive. All me want right now is just some company. Nobody fi stress me, nobody will fi call me. No, no. Anytime me honey up, chance swing pussy pa me. Me want your company. Fuck me from time to time, but you don't own me. Me no belong to you, baby. Cause I'm one right now, I just company. If you ask me, girl, I change and I don't like that. No. Do not make everything go to waste, baby, please fight back. Wow. Have some faith in me, we no grow like that. No. Or make you do the done that, don't me, would I never do you that? No, no, no way. No sacrifice your happiness because of ego.
Relax, I wanna give you some good fuck. Lights, the music turned up. Pack me things, so at church me I go. Feel like you put on your new top. Now let me give you some nice wine. Call me Earl, I'm not alkaline. If the pussy I put one more time, one more time, one more time, time.
Now I chill Rolex for me and Rolex. My gold chain will cost 10 grand US. No bad mind, sunshine for the van. We have to work hard like any other man. I have no 8 pen, the top of the power. Dark, we have the same 24 hour. From modern days until now. Me a dream big, I same thing you feel the way. Have to make it down here, yeah. Me say make it down here, yeah.
Though I must say these are not Alkaline's best work. They are very good songs and have the potential and catchiness to grow on you. I find them album worthy and songs you can enjoy in a mix or add to your playlist. I think Alkaline and his team have mastered the art of choosing the right rhythm to increase the possibility of creating a commercial hit song. In layman terms, a girl tune and easy jamming tunes that usually bust bigger than the badman tune them locally and internationally. As far as the video is concerned, I must first say big up the director Bling Blang. The quality is very good, however it seems as if it's out of sync, meaning the lip movement and the audio was slightly off. It seemed like a bad lip sync performance on his own song. I think it had more to do with the director communicating with the editor to get it right with the final edit. I am not sure if the average person would realize, so maybe it is not as significant to them. The fact of the matter is that they should always be on top of their game, and I think they miss slightly. Video is a visual tool used to effectively market a song and take it to a higher level. In this case, the song was very big, and it is kind of disappointing when there is such a long wait and anticipation. This is no fault of Alkaline. He made a big song, and that's the hardest part. I'm sure him and his team will learn from this slight blunder and get it a little better next time.